Well, welcome back, everybody. Here, sorry I couldn't do a video for you last night. It was one heck of an evening. We'll tell you all about that in Saturday morning's special class. It involved an emergency room visit. A lot of fun. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and talk here Friday evening as we get ready for Saturday morning's big class. What we're looking at here right now, of course, we've been talking about the negative divergences. We had the really nice pullback resulting from the divergence. It held here. It did not have the two closes below the channel. Came right back up here with multiple accumulation days underneath of us here. And as we've said all this time for months now, because of despite the negative divergences, what basically the negative divergences meant was I'm not really going to focus on the SPY and focus on actual SPY options type trades. From my perspective, I want to go ahead, because of the trend, focus on individual plays. And so I've been showing you different ways to go and find those. Regardless of the tools that you have of mine here, we've talked about everything, well, from those IRBs, reverse IRBs, all those good things, to finding things on Wealth Finder here. You got the CDWs, NXPIs, PayPals, Microsoft we had talked about days ago, and everything else as well. And so WDay. So you take a look at those things, and you can see that like with my ITP scanners, a lot of green there. And so as we take a look at these individual plays, you'll notice there's a lot of activity on these different types of strategies, like I taught you in last Wednesday's class here. So these are the kind of classes to help you prepare for these types of markets. And what we're going to do here on Saturday morning now is go through this more and focus on these charts in the here and now. Look at the markets that you guys like to look at. Go ahead and follow up with more of this, on the spot, current market training here, so that you guys can identify these types of trades much faster. And we kind of did that Wednesday night. I kind of walked through here's how I find things, here's how I scan through them, and here's how I go ahead and look to what tools I look to use to execute from there. And so it was a great presentation Wednesday night. We're going to go ahead and do an updated presentation of that tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Central. So you're welcome to go ahead and join us, because in the here and now, using these same tools, you can see the things, how they've been firing off, what they've been doing, looking at momentum shift breakouts, momentum shift with trends, inventory retracement bar breakouts and with trends, reverse inventory retracement bars, etc. All these different things, the stochastic trades that we've been talking about, the stochastic spikes, throttling, and the ITP tools, all these different things you can see coming home to roost, and then these associated market moves with them. So we're going to go through that whole process again tomorrow morning. If you're a day or a swing trader, you have to be at this class. This was a class we were going to do at the end of March. We elected to go ahead and move it up because we usually do it a couple times a year. So we're going to do that again tomorrow morning, one final time here, and then that will be done. So if you go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go, clear your morning schedule here. We're going to go ahead and go deep into this again, and I'm looking forward to having you guys be here. Okay, so get yourself registered now. I'll see you tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock Eastern. Tell you all the well, not so fun, exciting times at the emergency room last night, and we'll more importantly go ahead and focus on these really powerful strategies in the here and now, and how everything we've been telling you in advance is then playing out in the future, and how you can learn to look at these things yourself. All right, can't wait to see you guys tomorrow morning. Again, go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. Have a great night, everybody. See you in the morning. Bye bye.